OPAL stock analysis and OPAL stock prediction. In this 1-minute video, I'm going to show you exactly what I'm going to do and how I'm going to trade this. Opal Fuels for me, I mean, it's a decent bullish market to say the least, right? This is how my chart's looking like. I mean, it's pumping it to say the least. I am the only person in this space with 40,000 videos made, and it's taken me 5 years. It's under my belt and it's all documented. So all that to say is when I zoom out to the weekly chart, the only thing that this is actually going to be like a weekly bullish market is going to be a full candle close above 395. We're nowhere near that, right? And the last thing that I'm going to do, man, is come out here just buying like a madman. I mean, I'm not saying that you can like short term, and I'm like short term, you know, there's nothing wrong with just having a quick little scalp to the long side, but again, rules must be met. And guess what? If they're not met, then I'm not buying whatsoever. So if you want to learn how I'm making 5-10K per month with our indicators, click the first link in the description, get my free emails, and I'll see you in the next one.